What's up, guys? We are back in the garage today. We're gonna get the side skirts on. There's a car show in 2 days, and this thing is, you know, still ugly. So we're gonna try to get the side skirts on it today. Hopefully Jose finds these brackets for this diffuser, so I don't have to fab any. But yeah, today's side skirts. So all the other clips Angel has of us trying to put the side skirts on, we might just throw at the end as fails. But for now, we're just gonna drill these motherfuckers in. So let's get it, guys. Guess what, guys? Ace Hardware trip. Comes at you, you gotta be ready, bro. That was a little fuck. Nice. Alright guys, so we just ran over to Ace Hardware real quick to get some even longer bolts. Story of my life with this car so far. But Downstar sent me 25mm ones, because that's the longest option they had. But unfortunately I need 30mm ones. So we're gonna try these guys out. Hopefully they should fit. They have a little collar on them, but I'm not too worried about it. Angel's not too worried about it. But we're gonna mock these up, make sure everything snugs up how it should, nothing spinning. And then we're gonna take it back off, cut out this inner lip, and we're done. Hopefully. Pray for us. Damn. Alright guys, so we're cleaning up our mess right now. We got the side skirts on officially, finally. Cut them. This side looks a little stupid because we got a little carried away with the cutter. The other side looks way better, but I'm not going to show you it. Because I'm standing on this side, there's not enough room with the cabinets and crap. So we're going to stick with this side for now. So get ready for some beauty shots of just Angel. Prescription sunglasses life. But Saturday's the car show, so we're gonna be at that. Don't make fun of my mix match paint colors if you're there, because fuck you, this was done in a garage in 2 days. But that's all for this time, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. We're about to do Angel's car next week? Next week.
I'll be working out this weekend too.
And this weekend some. So we'll be doing that. We'll get all that so you guys can see Angel's car in one piece. Angel's gonna wrap the car yellow, because yellow gang. Oh, was I right?
No.
Oh, you're not supposed to say no. Now they know it's not yellow.
They know it's
I thought we were gonna join a gang.
They know we're not yellow gang.
I'm yellow.
I told Danny if you went yellow, I'd go yellow.
Danny won't go yellow?
He won't.
Pussy. But that's it for this one, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Pow.